Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Teach Tutorial Now. So friends, in this video I will teach you friends. I'm not going to teach because it's a pretty simple for use. I'm just telling you. Okay friends, if you have a same ringtone for your message and for your notification, you can make different notification, funny message ringtone, funny notification ringtone with this app. Friends, on your Play Store you have to write funny message notification. Friends, here you can see many thousands app. You can see you can download any app as you want. So I like the funny message tone app. It's very amazing and it's all app are easy to use. I hope you friends like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you soon with the new video. Till now, bye bye, take care.